We're going to that scary farm. Anyways, this is the scariest part where all the jump scares happen of the scary people. I know it happens all over, but this is like the entrance called Ghost Town.
You gonna get a pumpkin eater?
Can we throw you in the front?
So yeah,
Round up to 12.
pretty fun.
Go on there. Say hi.
She ran his face.
Hey vlog! Here we're at Not Scary Farm. We're ready to get spooked. I have my sister here. Oh look, we got some clowns up ahead. Well, you can't see them. Say hi to the vlog! Thank you. Say hi to the vlog! Thank you! Yes. Thank you. This is a bit spooky. Okay, I'm gonna switch the camera.
Do you guys want to get on this one?
What is this one?
It's the one that goes just like that.
We're gonna go on a ride, and we kind of have to end it because we can't take really phones on the Coast Rider.
What's up, guys?
This is Brian.
I saw the clowns.
The clowns are pretty spooky.
waiting for them?
Uma, can I get a sword?
to carry it.
No, you're not. No, you don't have to.
You're just throwing it away.
Side one. Right now, I'm gonna get a shirt. It's a pumpkin shirt, the one right there. These are so scary. Oh boy. These are heads. Oh my god, I'm scared. There's something in there. There's something in there. Let me get No, no, no. If we stay with these groups, stay with them. No, if we stay with them, then they'll get the scared. Keep going. Hurry. I know. Ew, these are wet. What the heck is wrong with them? That is inappropriate. I have to block that out. Oh no, these are dolls. I can't do dolls. I don't do dolls, guys. I wish I had flash on. I don't think that's allowed. Oh my god. You can't see.
For gathering and sculpting. Materials were hard to come by. Now that you're all here, I'm sure that
I don't know. His hair
Oh my
touched.
god, get her, get her. It's here.
Hi. So right now, vlog, we are walking.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, so scary. Me too.
Wait, I can't,
Oh, this hurts my ears.
I can't see. Ew, something turned on my head.
I think that's the end. That's the end, guys. This is spooky. I'm walking and walking. Wait, what time is it? Okay, it just time doesn't show up. But
What's up, guys?
what time is it?
I don't know, like 12 seconds.
I'll have to check. I want to go to the I don't think there's any like people who pop up like slowly. They're going away. We went into a corn maze, but it was like a haunted house corn maze. So that was the theme of it.
Oh my god.
I forgot to vlog it. But it was pretty cool, and you go into a pumpkin and you see a bunch of bugs and scarecrows pop out and scare you. It's pretty neat. This whole thing is like really cool and stuff. Is the log ride open? Oh, there's a scary one right there. That's what they do the whole time. They scare people in the face. They have like metal on their shoes and they like scrape the floor and make like really loud noises. So yeah. I think we're exiting right now. I think we're going home. But anyways, we've been here for 4 hours. Sorry. Honestly, yeah. They're starting to like pack up and stuff.
I don't know how they're packing up.
Well, like they're trying to shut down slowly, pretty much. Because they're closer than an hour, and they're gonna have to get like a bunch of people out of this park by the time.
Well, there hasn't been any like people who scares us.
Yeah, and I rode the Supreme Scream. It'll be showed somewhere in here because of my theatric video. So yeah. I'm gonna flip the camera for any scary things you see. Look at my shirt. You can't see it, but I'm pretty sure it's in the vlog already. That is it for my video. Goodbye, my dudes.